For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an oil mill business can be a lucrative venture given the growing demand for edible oils, biofuels, and other oil-based products. With advances in AI technology, many aspects of setting up and running an oil mill business can be streamlined or enhanced using free AI tools. This guide will take you through the step-by-step process of starting your oil mill business leveraging free AI, including practical prompts you can use with tools like ChatGPT and others. Step 1. Research the oil mill industry and market using AI. Before investing time and money, it is critical to understand the oil mill industry, local market demand, competition, and pricing. Use AI-driven search and summarization tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to gather and condense relevant information. You can start with a prompt like, provide an overview of the oil mill industry, including major products, key challenges, and growth trends in your region. Summarize current market demand and pricing for edible oils. Additionally, you can ask AI for a competitor analysis summary. List the top competitors in the oil mill business in your region and describe their market positioning and product offerings. These AI tools can quickly provide comprehensive, digestible insights, saving you hours of manual research. Step 2. Define your business model and products. Decide what types of oil your mill will produce. For example, soybean oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, or coconut oil. You should also determine whether you want to focus on bulk raw oil, refined oil, or specialty oils. Use AI to help refine your business model by prompting. Help me create a business model for an oil mill that produces chosen oil type, focusing on bulk/refined/specialty products. Include revenue streams, cost structures, and target customers. AI can help you brainstorm ideas on how to differentiate your oil mill, such as organic certification, cold pressing, or producing biofuel oils. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan with AI assistance. A solid business plan is crucial for guiding your operations and attracting investors or lenders. You can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT to draft a professional business plan. Prompt example. Write a detailed business plan for a small to medium-sized oil mill business in your country. Include executive summary, market analysis, organizational structure, marketing plan, operational plan, and financial projections. Make sure to review and tailor the output to fit your local context and specific business goals. Step 4. Identify and source raw materials. The success of an oil mill depends heavily on reliable access to quality raw materials like seeds or nuts. Use AI to analyze agricultural trends and connect you to suppliers. Try a prompt such as, what are the best suppliers or regions to source high-quality oilseed type for an oil mill business in your region? Suggest ways to establish supplier relationships. AI can also help you create supplier outreach emails or negotiation scripts to get favorable terms. Step 5. Plan your production process and technology needs. Designing your production workflow and selecting the right machinery is essential. AI tools can assist in outlining production steps and comparing equipment options. Prompt example. Outline the production process steps for an oil mill producing chosen oil. Recommend types of machinery needed at each stage, including extraction, filtering, and packaging. You can also ask, compare features and costs of oil mill machinery suitable for a capacity, tons per day, oil extraction plant. This will help you make informed decisions about capital investments. Step 6. Estimate startup costs and financial projections using AI. Understanding your initial investment and running costs is critical. AI tools can help you build a financial model and forecast profits. Use a prompt like, create a detailed financial projection for a startup oil mill business with a capacity tons per day. Include capital expenditures, operating expenses, revenue forecasts, and break-even analysis. You can refine these estimates over time by providing actual quotes or local cost data. Step 7. Develop your branding and marketing plan with AI. Effective marketing will help you reach customers such as wholesalers, retailers, and manufacturers. Use AI to craft branding, messaging, and marketing strategies. Ask AI. Create a marketing plan for an oil mill business targeting wholesalers and retailers in your region. Include branding ideas, advertising channels, and customer engagement strategies. You can also request AI help with slogan creation, social media content, and ad copy. For example, generate 10 creative slogans for an organic cold-pressed sunflower oil brand. Step 8. Register your business and obtain licenses. Check local regulations for registering an oil mill business and obtaining necessary permits, such as food safety certifications. AI can help you compile the list of legal requirements. Try prompting. What are the legal and regulatory requirements to start an oil mill business in your country or state? Include business registration, health and safety licenses, and environmental permits. Step 9. Set up your operational infrastructure. Plan your facility layout, staff hiring, and workflow management. Use AI to design an efficient production floor and create job descriptions. You can ask, help me create job descriptions for an oil mill, including production manager, machine operators, quality control, and sales staff. For facility layout, prompt. Suggest an efficient factory layout plan for a small oil mill with separate areas for raw material storage, extraction, refining, packaging, and shipping. Step 10. Launch your business and monitor performance using AI analytics. Once operations begin, use AI-powered tools for monitoring performance, managing inventory, and optimizing supply chain. Prompt for AI tools. Recommend free AI tools for tracking production efficiency, inventory levels, and sales performance for a manufacturing business. Also ask, how can I use AI to forecast demand and optimize inventory for an oil mill business? Conclusion. Starting an oil mill business is a multifaceted process that requires research, planning, investment, and operational efficiency. Free AI tools can support you at every stage by providing valuable market insights, drafting business documents, designing processes, and assisting with marketing and financial planning. By combining traditional business knowledge with AI-powered assistance, you can accelerate your startup journey and improve your chances of success in the competitive oil production market. Use the suggested AI prompts as starting points to customize your approach according to your unique vision and local market conditions. With persistence and smart use of technology, your oil mill business can thrive. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.